Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best boat seat pedestal set on the market, the CLLOMAGY Boat Seat Pedestal Base Mount Kit. Whether you're an avid fisherman, pontoon boat enthusiast, or just looking to upgrade your seating, this kit promises durability, ease of installation, and enhanced comfort. Let's start by looking at the build quality. The CLLOMAGY seat pedestal is crafted from premium aluminum, which ensures corrosion resistance, making it ideal for marine environments where exposure to water and weather is constant. The base plate measures 7 inches by 7 inches, providing a solid and stable foundation for your boat seat. Its robust construction is designed to withstand harsh marine conditions, so you don't have to worry about rust or weakening over time. This kit includes a 6-inch tall, 3/4 inch diameter alloy steel pin post, along with a lock-in pin seat mount. The pin post features a non-threaded steel design with a nylon inner lining, adding strength while preventing squeaks and wobbling. The seat mount has a spring mechanism that cushions your seating, ensuring stability and preventing any unwanted movement while you're out on the water. What makes this pedestal particularly versatile is its compatibility. It fits standard non-threaded 3/4 inch boat seat pin posts and is perfect for pontoon boats, fishing boats, bass boats, john boats, and cruising boats. This means you can easily replace your old, worn-out pedestal or add extra seating wherever you need it on your boat deck. Comfort is another key feature. The pedestal allows for a full 360-degree swivel, giving you the flexibility to turn smoothly while fishing or maneuvering. Its height is convenient for comfortable seating, and it can help you operate foot pedal trolling motors more safely and easily. Keep in mind, though, this pedestal isn't designed for helm seats or speeds above 5 miles per hour, so it's best used as additional seating or for leisure purposes. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included components, the base plate, pin post, and seat mount, all designed to fit together seamlessly. The sturdy aluminum base with reinforced ribs provides excellent load-bearing strength, so your seat stays firmly in place, even on rough waters. In summary, the CLLOMAGY Boat Seat Pedestal Base Mount Kit is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to upgrade or expand their boat seating. Its marine-grade materials, solid construction, and comfortable swivel design make it an excellent investment for enhancing your boating experience. If you're ready to improve your boat seating setup with a reliable, corrosion-resistant pedestal that's easy to install and built for comfort, this kit could be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.